Hi friends, you can see here this mobile is J4 Plus, and so now you can see here the pattern lock. I have tried to more but it does not work, so I want to restore hard reset mobile. So now you have to power up this mobile. Now you have to wait this mobile when it complete power off, and now you have to hard reset this mobile by volume button and power button. You can see here volume up button and power button. So now you have to press power button and volume up button and hold it distance 30 seconds. You can see here mobile is on and wait and hold buttons. So now recovery mode is on, you can see here, and now you have to scroll down this by volume buttons, volume minus, and click on web data factory reset and press the button power. Okay, and scroll down. Yes. So next you have to clear the web data, clear cache and partitions. You can see here, scroll down, and yes. After you have to press the power button for reboot mobile. Guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Hi there, you can see here your mobile is restored clear, and you can see here setup. Guys, now you have to next it, and now next after do it, and so connecting, checking information update. This may take a minute or two. You can see here just a second. Account added. Next, getting account information. You can see here. And just a second, and now no thank you, escape anyway. And guys, do it after checking information. Guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now you click more and more, I agree, and do it. It is working now and updating. Scroll down and okay, adding the finish touches. This may take minutes. Escape and escape. The finish all is done and pattern lock is clear now. So now I am going to next videos. Now bye and be back later. See you.